Hi and welcome to our garden here in beautiful France. We're in the market for a wonderful folding bike. So we gave this Engui EP2 Pro a go. It's fantastic, but it's enormous. It weighs a ton. I can hardly lift it. And to be honest, we don't fold it and it doesn't fit in our car. We leave it completely constructed and I use it as an electric bike around the town. But wait till you see this. Ta-da! The DYU. Half the size, weighs nothing, easily folds and actually fits in our subcompact car. This DYU folding bike is just perfect. It's simple, it's compliant to EU regulations, it's got a 250 watt motor, it's restricted to 25 kilometers, it's incredibly simple, it just has an on-off button, lights, and works. I'm really liking this. Okay, it's not a super powerful bike. It's hard taking you up hills as a fatter, older person, but for a simple run around commuting bike that's incredibly lightweight, easy to fold, easy to charge, this DYU folding bike in its compact size is perfect. So let's look at the controls. It's got an on-off switch for the lights, a start and stop switch for the battery. That's it. It's got brakes which are disc but they work really well. A front light, easy folding, a single gear crank system, single speed rear crank, even a place to put your luggage, a rear light, an adjustable seat for different heights, but its main feature is that it's light and foldable. So for charging the batteries in this part of the bicycle, you can charge it by removing the battery or actually in situ with a charge port which is underneath. Simple, good, lightweight, compact car folding bike from DYU. DYU shipped us the bike in the classic big cardboard box. It actually arrived in just a couple of days, I think from an EU distribution warehouse, not from China. It basically comes complete. You just need to unfold it and fit the seat post. Very easy to put together. Thanks DYU. So let's take it on a ride around our beautiful small French village. It's smooth and powerful, compact, and gets you around. It sticks to its legal 25 kilometers an hour with a 250 watt motor. It's ideally suited for hard pavement roads. It's really not an off-road bike or even a bike suitable for gravel. The brakes are strong and reassuring. The speed control easy to use. It comes with front and rear lights to help visibility for those terrible cars that want to crash into you. It's not so good on steep hills. Do not buy this bike if you live in San Francisco, but any reasonably flat, mildly undulating city center, perfect. And it fits in your compact car. So do I like the DYU folding city bike? Yeah, it's good. To be honest, I often grab it first over my other e-bikes because it's easy to use, compact, lightweight, and fun to ride. And at under £600, it's a real steal. Check in the description for the current best deal, maybe a special deal from me, Professor Simon. And if you need a compact, lightweight folding electric bike, this might be suitable for you. DYU do a smaller folding bike, but this one is just perfect.